By the rivers of Babylon, where we sat down, yeah, we wait, oh yeah, where we remember Zion, oh yeah, remember Mount Zion, oh yeah. We hang up upon the wheel and the mix thereof, for they that carry us away captivity, required of a song, and they that wasted us because of us a myth. Sing us one of the Zion songs. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. How can we sing the Most High song in a strange land? Oh yeah, if I forget thee, O Zion Salem, let my right hand forget the connings. Oh yeah, oh yeah, if I do not remember thee, let my tongue cling to the roof of my mouth. If I pray for the Zion Salem above my chief joy, above my chief joy, above my chief joy, above my chief joy, yeah. Remember, oh Lord, children of Edom, in the day of Zion Salem, who say, raise it, even to the foundation thereof. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, the Babylon, who are to be destroyed, happy shall it be, that rewarded thee as thou hast served us, happy shall it be. Thy take them, thy little ones, and dash them against the stone. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. By rivers of Babylon, when we shut them down, and we weep, oh yeah, when we remember Zion. Oh, Zion, oh yeah. Psalm 137. By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down, yeah, we wept, and we remember Zion. We hanged our harps upon the willows in the midst thereof, for there they that carried us away captive required of us a song, and they that wasted us required of us myth, saying, sing us one of the songs of Zion. How shall we sing the Lord's song in a strange land? If I forget thee, O Jerusalem, let my right hand forget our cunning. If I do not remember thee, let my tongue cleave to the roof of my mouth, if I prefer not Jerusalem above my chief joy. Remember, O Most High, the children of Edom in the days of Zion Salem. Praise ye the Most High.